Hopices are nodes of homeopathic remedies. The difference between nodes is that of the homeopathic or remedy is prone and in it has a more wider application as the totality of symptoms can be covered. Physiopathic remedy can be used only to cover the disease which the disease product is capable of producing. Nurses act currently only when they are inventions are the basics of totality of symptoms for all and hold fast that which is good was the lessons Hahnemann learned from his father. Hence, when proud and administrations on the basic of totalities of just like mineral and animal source medicines or moisturizers also work currently. Hahnemann's herring legs grows in step are considered as the pioneers of the Gnosis methods. Herring was the first pointer to prove the notes perseverances on himself shortly after Hahnemann published his chronic diseases theory. Herring was the first pointer to prove notes presence on himself shortly after Hahnemann published his chronic diseases theory. Herring proposed the first proving of notes on himself. It was Herring's ideas to use mesobic agents as a potency remains the Greek word noso is a prefix which means morbid root. This term is also connected with the Latin word noxa, the root of the term noxis. This implements the use of potentially dangerous noxious of materials as a basis for a conscious recommended. That is why Hendrik called this remains nostos, as you can see by their very nature. These remedies must be used correctly, having responsive for readily explaining the homeopathic materials media as well as adding 7 new categories out of honest remedies. For the example, Hendrik introduced the idea of using poisons taken from insects, snakes, and other venomous creatures, animal poisons. The use of remains means from miasmas nodules. The introduction of pointers is miscible taken from the patient's body autonodules. The use of pasteurization in hemispheric products nurses for the presence of influenza disease. The use of homeopathic organs, tissues, and secretions carrots. The use of chemical and usages elements inherent to the organism, chemical and chemical relationship. The use of potentialized disease vectors to remove infection. Example, persons weed seeds to get rid of weeds and insects to remove introduces of vines. Herring continued to experience with notions of actual chronic miseries and invited others to contact privating. He was the first to recommend to use the of proteins late matter. Contemporaries and supplementaries treatments of chronics in 1013. Herring proposed the use of hydrovenism for the prevention of rabies, Verilianium for prevention of smallpox, and cervix of the presence of the itch misam. Hahnemann was the most conscious about influence of the diseases mutated into the homeopathic materia medica, but the proving of the notes and the application of these medicines on the basic of total symptoms laid the path a new source of drugs in the homeopathic materia medica. They are no longer considered as isopacific methods when they are consistent and provide well according to the homeopathic principles and employed on the basis of totally. Hahnemann in the chronic diseases comments in homeopathy with Source and instruments remains the anti-medicine statement of in the following. Volumes contain no so-called exponential radiance because their pure effects, even those of no potency, its theorem are no longer away from being suspension provided to enable use to make a sure homeopathic use of them. I say homeopathic for the presence its matters does not remain idea of given patients from wanting those tokens because if it is him good it can only so be present in state. Seeing that root its matter which he has in him already being an idea has no action on him. The preparations the develops his power changes of modifies it just as a goal left after being protein is no longer root goal without action on the human body, but at every site of its presence is more and more modified and altered. Along with the above stage systems, they develop another methods called B futuropathy. Next topic is secondary reactions. Secondary reactions can be ferment as the defensive reaction of the vital force to the primary action of the drug. In case of the primary action, the vital force plays a passive role and resists in the influence of the drug. Without any resistance, but after a short period, vital force reacts to the primary action of the drug in an opposite manner. This reaction of the vital forces against primary action of the drug is called as the secondary action. This secondary action as a rule is always exactly opposite to the primary actions. In the secondary action, the vital force plays an active role. Hence, the secondary action is always due to the vital force only. The main characters of secondary actions are secondary reactions are automatic reactions of the vital forces to the primary action of the drug. Secondary action is the basic qualities of the vital forces. Every living organism in the world possesses such defensive resistance action against primary actions. The secondary action as a rule is always opposite in equal strengths to the primary actions. Secondary actions can be two types: secondary counter actions, secondary creative action. Secondary counter actions. Just like any secondary actions, these actions are opposite to the preference many actions of the drugs. When drugs is admitted, it produces the set of symptoms as its primary actions. Its responses the vital forces produce exactly opposite symptoms to the sets of symptoms of the primary actions. This reaction is always equal and proportional through the primary action. The secondary counter reaction is observed in the cases of animal treatment. In case animated drugs provides opposite symptoms to the disease symptoms. In its primary actions, it seems that the vital forces excess drugs primary actions and this is natural, but the relief symptoms last only 3 short periods later on. The vital forces produces in the secondary symptoms of exactly opposite to the primary symptoms to the anesthetic drugs. Hence, anyone called the anesthetic secondary action as the secondary counter action. The secondary counter action of anesthetic elements results into policies. Second point is secondary condition of actions. This type of secondary action is noticed is the homeopathic method of treatment. This action proves to be corrective when homeopathic medicines and medicine provides primary action that is similar to the disease symptoms. Hence, the vital forces access for the primary action of the drugs in the passive manner. According to the nature's law of similar stronger medical disease removes the already existing weakening instinct diseases. As a result, the vital forces now suffers only when the medicine's disease. Every action has an equal on opposite direction is the natural law. It is.